In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys step-by-step how you can remove your credit card or debit card from your PayPal account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do to remove your credit card or debit card from your PayPal account, you just need to open your PayPal account like this, go to your PayPal homepage and click over here on your profile picture or your PayPal name, okay? And click on account setting like this, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, as you can see, what you will do next, you have here account setting. Scroll down and go over here to money, banks and cards. Click on this one and you will be directly in this page over here, and you should see your credit and debit cards here. Click on your credit card like this and you will be directly in this page again. Scroll down and click over here on remove card, and that's how you can remove or delete credit card or debit card from your PayPal account. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.